Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. I am going to discuss case studies which CBSE has published this year from class 10th. This is part 1 of my videos. I will be studying more case studies in the upcoming videos. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Let us see what this case study says. It is based on chapter number 1 of class 10th NCERT. This is based on real numbers. So case study is to here we are having the discussion of the case study. Let us first understand what the problem is. To enhance the reading skills of grade 10 students, the school nominates you and two of your friends to set up a class library. And there are two sections, section A and section B of grade 10th. There are 32 sections in section A and 36 students in section B. So we are having one image of class library. This is just the understanding of the case study. Now we are going to solve the questions based on this case study. So first question is, what is the minimum number of books you will acquire for the class library so that they can be distributed equally among the students of section A or section B? So here the word minimum is of significance, as we know that minimum is nothing but the LCM. So we just have to find out the LCM of the number of students in class in section A and the number of students in section B. That is, it will be the LCM of 32 and 36, which is going to be 288. On solving, we can make these calculations. These are very easy. Only the understanding of question is important. Next we have, if the product of two positive integers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM is true. That means we are having this direct result that LCM into HCF is equals to product of the numbers. This is the direct result only. So what will be the HCF of 32 and 36? As we have already calculated LCM in question number 1, so we don't have anything important in this question which is left to be calculated. As we know, LCM into HCF is directly the product of numbers. So LCM can be put as 288 into HCF equal to 32 into 36. On solving, we are going to get HCF is equals to 4. Next we have 36 can be expressed as product of primes as. It is also easy. We can make the prime factorization, and on solving we are going to get 36 will be equal to 2 square into 3 square. We have two factors of 2 and two factors of 3. So the answer will be A, 2 square into 3 square. Next we have 7 into 11 into 13 into 15 plus 15 is again this is a very easy question. So we can write it as 7 into 11 into 13 into 15 plus 15. From these two parts we can take 15 common, and what will be left inside? 7 into 11 into 13 plus 1. You can make these calculations and you will get this, and on solving you will get, or even without solving you can easily observe that these are two numbers and the product of two numbers is nothing but a composite number. The last question is, P and Q are positive integers such that P is equals to AB square and Q is equals to A square B, where A and B are prime numbers. Then what will be the LCM of P and Q? So LCM can be written as, LCM is nothing but the product of highest powers. Here we can observe that power of B is 2 here and power of A is 2 here in Q. So when we are selecting the powers, here it is the A power of A is 1 and here the power of a is 2, so we have to select the maximum power, so that is we are going to select 2 for power of a. Next, again for b, we are going to select power of b as 2 from here, that is b square. So the solution will be a square b square, and the LCM of PQ will be a square b square. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching the video.